lecture is basically focused on recurrent neural network (RNN), and I just explain what is RNN and working of the RNN. तो firstly, जो previously जो हम CNN और ANN हमने पढ़ा, the basic problem of these networks are that they works independently. Means the input of each layer is independent. It not affects or be affected by the output of the previous layer. Means it's work independently, it's not work sequentially. Means it cannot process sequence of one data. For example, time series, sentences, or this one. To overcome from this problem, the recurrent neural network introduced. Basically, it works on time series or sequential data. How it works, we discuss it. This is the basic architecture of RNN. Here some nomenclature are used. XT is denoting the input and HT minus 1 is denoting the input from the previous layer or previous time step. The word time step is the better because this is not working in layers. It's just this is the unrolled architecture of the RNN. It is a recurrent means same we take a output of the first time step is the input for the next time step. Here HT minus 1 is the hidden state or memory state for the previous state and HT is the output of the current state. Here XT is the input for T time step. HT minus 1 is the output of at time T minus 1 step. HT is the output of the T time step. So here just we are using sequential data or we should I say कि भाई हम previously टाइम स्टेप का इनपुट को नेक्स्ट स्टेप पे एज ए इनपुट हम यूज करते हैं. हाउ टू वी कैलकुलेट इट वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. हियर इज द फंडामेंटल इक्वेशन which is going to ht, the output of the current time step is calculating on tan h, this is the tangent activation function, where whs is the wait for t minus 1 time step into xt is the input, wxh is the wait for xt time step plus bias value. ht is the current hidden state vector, ht minus previous hidden state vector, xt is the input vector, wx is weight matrix, whs is the weight matrix, ws weight matrix applied to the input xt is the time step, and whs weight matrix is applied to the previous hidden state st minus 1. This is the bias factor for the instant. There is the hyperbolic tangent activation function. Maps value between -1 to -1.23. This is the fundamental equation of RNN. It is basically used on sequential data, and HT1 and HT is the memory. Means it maintains the memory of the previous system. Means it will not start whenever you will not from the scratch. It's like when we read the sentence, it's connected with the previous one. Means for each sentence, हर sentence के लिए scratch से start नहीं करेगा, ये previous input से इसको connect करेगा. इसी concept के पहला हमारा RNN काम करता है और ये basic formula है.